Want to master dynamic control in your mix? Ableton Live's compressor offers three powerful modes: peak, RMS, and expand, each tailored for different compression needs. In peak mode, the compressor reacts to short-term loudness spikes, making it perfect for taming transients and controlling sudden volume peaks with precision. Switch to RMS mode for a smoother, natural response that averages the signal level over time, ideal for bus compression or adding glue to your mix. For a creative touch, expand mode acts as an upward expander, boosting signals above the threshold to enhance transients or bring life back to overly compressed material. With features like Lookahead for precise peak anticipation, auto-release for adapting to varying dynamics, and built-in sidechain capabilities, Ableton's compressor is a versatile tool for everything from subtle dynamic control to creative sound shaping. Comment Ableton below, and we'll DM you a link to free Ableton tools and resources to help you get the most out of your mixes.